Welcome to the course, Learn Logix 8, Working with Numeric Data in Studio 5000 Logix Designer. This beginner PLC course has been created to teach you how to compute, compare, and move numeric data in Studio 5000 Logix Designer. After following this course, you will know what numeric data types are available in Studio 5000 Logix Designer. Know what comparison instructions are available in Studio 5000 Logix Designer. Know what math instructions are available in Studio 5000 Logix Designer, and have built a project that uses compare and compute instructions. After completing this course, you will be ready to take follow-up courses that dive into more complex topics like modular programming. This course teaches you how to work with numeric data in Studio 5000 Logix Designer. To get the most value out of this course, you should have access to Studio 5000 Logix Designer. You should also have access to a physical PLC, Studio 5000 Logix Emulate, or FactoryTalk Logix Echo to test the projects that you build. If you don't have access to these products, you can still watch the video lessons to learn how to work with numeric data in Studio 5000 Logix Designer. Now that you know what you need to follow this course, let's talk about who the course is for. We created Learn Logix 8, Working with Numeric Data in Studio 5000 Logix Designer, for beginners who want to learn how to program Logix 5000 PLCs with Studio 5000 Logix Designer. If you have a lot of experience with programming PLCs from other manufacturers and you just want to learn how to program Logix 5000 PLCs, then this course is probably not for you. Although this course is created for beginners, you will need some foundational knowledge of Logix 5000 PLCs, Studio 5000 Logix Designer, and PLC programming to follow the course. The good news is that you can learn everything that you need to know to follow this course by following the previous courses in the Learn Logix series. You can find those courses by searching for Learn Logix on your RealPARS dashboard. In this lesson, I provided you with a quick overview of Learn Logix 8, Working with Numeric Data in Studio 5000 Logix Designer, including an overview of the contents of the course, an explanation of what you need to follow the course, and a description of who the course is for. In the next lesson, we will look in more detail at exactly what you will learn in Learn Logix 8, Working with Numeric Data in Studio 5000 Logix Designer, and how the course is structured. See you there!